Yo, what's up YouTube guys? I'm gonna show you how to fix the 0 viewers glitch on TikTok. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically where you post a video and you only get 0 viewers and it never goes up, or it might go up like 2, 3, and it basically never gets ranked on the For You page and it glitches out and you never get any followers. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to fix that. Before we go on the video guys, I do want to mention I'm doing a huge Visa gift card giveaway guys. If you want to win this $250 Visa gift card, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and then comment down below why you want it. Include your social media, that way if you win, I can actually, contact you with the code so that way you can redeem it. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the 0 views glitch on TikTok. If you guys don't know what it is, it's basically where you post a video and no matter what guys, it won't get views, and if it does, it's only like 5, 7, 10, or if not, sometimes 0 like myself. So guys, this actually fixed it and it helped me rank every actual application on the For You page guys. So we're simply going to go to our phone guys, and you're gonna go to Safari. Oh, I'm gonna be teaching you how to download this TikTok++ application right there. That's the app I use to fix my 0 followers glitch. It's basically a modified version of TikTok that you can use. It'll connect to the actual database by connecting via your main TikTok app, which is right there, and it'll actually fix the glitch for you. So all you want to do is go to Safari, and you're gonna be downloading TikTok++, which is how you fix the glitch. So all you want to do is go to odexgen.com. All right, guys, make sure you're going to odexgen.com as we speak. You're going to come to a page like this. It says ODexGen installer. If you guys don't know what ODexGen is, it's basically a very, very viral third-party app store where you can download a bunch of tweaked applications, guys. That's just a chat box. So all you want to hear is, it says find your app, search for apps. So guys, we're simply going to type in TikTok, right? That's the application we want. You're going to press done, click install. Very easy to do, guys. As you can see right here, it says TikTok installer. Free TikTok tools to get you famous, free followers, likes, and dark mode, guys. So there's actually more tools that you can actually download inside the actual application that'll actually enable you to fix the glitch. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how. So it's to select your device system, iOS or Android. I'm on iPhone, and tap start download. Now guys, it's processing our request. Let's give it a second. Again, the website's odexgen.com. After you go to it, you just find TikTok++, and that's the tool that's gonna enable you to actually fix your 0 viewers glitch essentially. Performing verification, processing. Okay guys, automatic human verification failed, that's fine. Where you have to verify manually that we're a human and not a robot, guys. So what's gonna happen is this is gonna pop up. It says you are almost done. Click on the verify now button to actually start downloading an app. All you gotta do is tap verify now. And guys, all we have to do is verify we're human by completing this capture completion challenge. There's gonna be 3 offers on this page, sometimes 4. All you have to do is complete all 3 offers on this page. And then after you complete all 3 offers, that loading bar right there will turn to a download now button. You're going to tap that when it's done, and you're going to be able to download TikTok++, which will actually fix the glitch for you. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. So right now we just have to focus on completing the offers. All we have to do is right here, download and open each app for 30 seconds to verify that you're a human and not a robot. Very self-explanatory. You're going to press the first app, press OK. Now you're going to be downloading Word with Friends 2, which is just a free game. Search App Store. And we're simply going to scroll down, find Word with Friends 2. There it is, right there. I already have it downloaded. As you can see, I've done this before already, so that's how you guys know this is actually real. We're going to open it up for 30 seconds. And we're simply just going to wait here for 30 seconds, or you can play the game. It's just a free game, essentially, so it's just on the App Store. But you just wait here for 30 seconds, or you can play the actual Word with Friends 2 game. But after you wait for 30 seconds, guys, you go back to the main page, and you have to complete the other 2 offers. After you complete all the offers on this page, guys, that loading bar will turn to a download now button. Then all you have to do is open TikTok++, and you're gonna be able to open it up, tap the menu icon on top right, and then tap glitches, and then you just tap that. And it's very self-explanatory. It's gonna tell you it's gonna show you different options of glitches. You select the 0 views glitch, and that's it, guys. It'll automatically load up and actually connect to your main TikTok application and fix the glitch for you. And that's how I've personally been getting a lot of views on my TikTok. As you see right here, I get 200, 290, 1200, 31, 7, 225. Some of them blow up more, so I mean, it just depends, But yeah, if you guys need any help as well, you see that's how I got so many followers and stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys need any help, let me know in the comments. I'll help you out. And yeah, you just want to get that TikTok++ application. Alright guys, after you verify that you're human, you're going to get that TikTok++ application. All you have to do is literally open it up. You're going to tap the menu icon on the top right. Then you're going to tap, there's going to be a bunch of different problems. It's going to say fix problems, tap that. Then all you got to do is select 0 views. It's going to be an option. Very self-explanatory once you open the app. You're going to tap fix 0 views, and that's it, guys. It's going to completely reset the algorithm for you. So then every post you post going forward, guys, will actually get views and it'll get ranked on the For You page. Like I said, guys, if you guys need any help, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of issues you're facing, if you face any. And yeah, if you want to enter my Visa gift card giveaway, $250, all you got to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video.